Welcome to my channel, and today's video, since I'm wearing the bright orange lip, can only mean one thing. We are doing an orange look with the Beauty Bay Fiery palette, and here is what the inside of this palette looks like. I was talking with my fiance yesterday, and he's like, you know, you've done all these fall looks, but none of them have been with the real fall colors. I'm like, well, what do you mean? Because to me, you know, fall colors are like more deeper shades, jewel tones, things like that. And he's like, well, you haven't done like a color with like the color of the leaves and the oranges and everything and yellows. So I'm like, well, we're going to take care of that today. Sorry, I have like a hair or something right there. So we're going to do an orange look today. I've got my favorite bright orange lip on. It's actually a lot brighter than it's showing up on camera. It's the NYX Suede Matte Bullet lipstick in the shade Orange County, which I think they maybe discontinued. I'm really upset about that. But my fiance found a couple of them on eBay and he picked them up for me, so I do have a couple spares to go. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started with this orange look. I want to start with this shade. What are we gonna do? Let's start with the shade Pumpkin Spice, which is this one right here. Because why not? It's that time of the year. Pumpkin spice everything. And we're just going to do an orangey gold look. They do have like a 42 pan palette in this, but I just picked up the 16 pan palette in my latest Beauty Bay haul, which should be, if it's not up already, it should be coming up soon. As well as you should be seeing my tutorial with the dark fantasy palette, which was just everything my Halloween loving heart needed. It's just gorgeous, so you guys please pick that palette up. It is limited edition. I want to pick up another one just to have a spare on hand because it is that good and that beautiful. And also, again, if you guys hear any kids screaming in the background, my neighbor's kids are just outside playing, and I guess my walls are really, really thin because I know I can hear them. So I'm not sure if you guys can or not. I'm just really wanting to build this up. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Hot Sauce, which is that shade right there. I'm just trying to get this as orange as I can. So that it's really giving off all the fall vibes. And I'm just bringing this up like a little bit higher than I normally would, and then we're going to blend it all out at the end. Like, I know things may look a little crazy right now, but I promise it's all going to come together. Everything is going to look okay. And one thing I need to do is I need to get better about keeping track of my brushes and keeping them clean, because I am not the best at that. Okay, now I want to take this shade Adorn right here, just that really pretty gold shade, and we're gonna go in with that on the inner part of the eye. I'm just loving how the gold is looking with the orange. Like, it's beautiful. This is definitely like the perfect fall look. Now I'm gonna do, whoa, you guys, I totally went out of focus there. Hopefully the rest of this video is not like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line, which I think I want to just lightly, very, very lightly, go in with this shade. We're gonna go in with Burnt Sienna, which is the shade right here. It's a little more red, but I think it's gonna go together well and everything will end up looking really nice. And now I'm gonna go in to do the inner corner highlight with the shade All That Glitters, which is the shade right here. I don't know what is going on, but like with my neighbor's kids, sometimes I swear it sounds like they're killing each other. Like, you just hear the most terrifying screams and then crying, and I'm like, okay, what is going on over there? Like, sometimes I get a little concerned, but I'm like, stay in my lane, like, everything's okay, their parents will handle it. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my mascara and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back and this is the final look. This is your true fall leaf color look. Like, we've got gold, we've got orange, we've got red. It's just beautiful. The bright orange lip. I'm here for it. I'm loving it. I love fall. Like, this is just such a fun look, you guys. And yeah, it's just, this is, you know, fall. All the beautiful colors once the trees change. It's done with the Beauty Bay 16 color Fiery eyeshadow palette. Here is another look at that palette. So I've got a lot of fun things coming up on my channel. I've got some more palettes I need to use. I did get the 42 Pan Berries palette by Beauty Bay, so that will be coming up. And also I've got this, the Golden Age palette, which to me is also perfect for like a fall look. Just those deep brown shades and the golds. So yeah, you guys, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, stay safe, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.